What causes soreness after leaving the milk open for some time? Answer is option B, lactic acid. Which of the following substances is used in the preservation of food stuff? Answer is option C, sodium benzoate. Which of the following types of lens are used to cure myopia? Answer is option D, concave. Which of the following cells does the AIDS virus attack? Answer is option B, T helper cells. The hormone controlling the closure of stomata in response to water stress is? Answer is option C, abscisic acid. When is the International Day for the Abolition of Slavery observed? Answer is option A, 2nd December. Which of the following devices converts low voltage alternating current to high voltage alternating current? Answer is option D, transformer. Which of the following methods can be employed to test the hardness of water? Answer is option A, formation of leather with soap. Nitric acid does not react with which of the following metals? Answer is option A, gold. A common indicator organism of water pollution is? Answer is option B, Escherichia coli. In which state is the National Thermal Power Corporation NTPC located? Answer is option D, New Delhi. Goods which are consumed together are called? Answer is option B, complementary goods. Prithviraj III, who defeated the Afghan ruler Sultan Muhammad Ghori, was the most famous? Answer is option A, Chahmana ruler. Wearing away of landscape by different agents like water, wind and ice is called? Answer is option B, erosion. Which of the following is the largest phylum of kingdom Animalia, which includes insects and scorpions? Answer is option C, Arthropoda. The gene for color blindness is dependent on? Answer is option A, X chromosome. Transfer of genetic material from one bacterium to another by virus is? Answer is option D, transduction. Which of the following is a direct source of energy for muscle contraction? Answer is option D, both B and C, means creatine phosphate and ATP. What work will be done when the mass M goes around a horizontal circle of radius R? Answer is option B, 0. Which of the following is not a physical component of CPU? Answer is option A, VDU. Which of the following factors remains constant in uniform circular motion? Answer is option B, speed. The RNA which carries the genetic message from the nucleus to the ribosomes is? Answer is option A, mRNA. Who among the following was the first woman president of the United Nations General Assembly? Answer is option D, Vijay Lakshmi Pandit. What is the approximate length of the land border of India? Answer is option B, 15,000 km. Buri Boot Yolo festival is celebrated in which Indian state? Answer is option A, Arunachal Pradesh. Who is the present Vice President of India? Answer is option D, Jagdeep Dhankar. The headquarters of the National Council of Science Museum is in? Answer is option B, Kolkata. Which planet of the solar system is also known as the winter planet? Answer is option C, Jupiter. Who among the following governs the entire financial system of the Union as well as the states? Answer is option A, Comptroller and Auditor General of India. Sangeet Natak Akademi Award is the most prestigious national honor which is given in the field of. Answer is option C, music. Who was elected as the Vice President of India for a second term in 1957? Answer is option B, S. Radhakrishnan. Which state has renamed Gorewalan International Zoo as Balasaheb Thackeray Zoological Park? Answer is option D, Maharashtra. How many deputy governors serve RBI board at any point of time? Answer is option C, 4. What is the new name of Firoz Shah Kotla ground? Answer is option A, Arun Jaitley Stadium. What is the effect of pressure on the melting point of substances that expand on fusion? Answer is option B, increases with increase in pressure. The SI unit of which of the following physical quantity is hertz? Answer is option A, frequency. Coal gas is a mixture of. Answer is option B, CH4 plus CO plus H2. Which of the following diseases is caused by deficiency of vitamin B1 in humans? Answer is option D, beriberi. Which one of the following components is responsible for causing irritation to our eyes in photochemical fog? Answer is peroxyacetyl nitrate. What is the period of revolution of a satellite orbiting near the surface of the Earth? Answer is option C, 1 hour 24 minutes. Shanti Swarup Bhatnagar Award is related to which field? Answer is option B, science and technology. Which Prime Minister is the credit of presenting the highest budget in the history of independent India? Answer is option C, Morarji Desai. Name the British Viceroy who withdrew the doctrine of lapse which was introduced by Lord Dalhousie. Answer is option A, Lord Canning. Which of the following compounds of carbon is formed due to incomplete combustion or partial oxidation? Answer is option B, carbon monoxide. The instruments of instructions contained in the Government of India Act 1935 have been incorporated in the Constitution of India in the year 1950 as. Answer is option A, Directive Principles of State Policy. The Hindu Code Bill was introduced in the Constituent Assembly on 11th April 1947 by. Answer is option C, B.R. Ambedkar. Who among the following was the first Deputy Speaker of the Lok Sabha? Answer is option B, M.A. Iyengar. Which of the following animals breathe through the skin? Answer is option D, earthworm. Which of the following biomes is known for its coniferous, cone-bearing evergreen forest? Answer is option D, boreal forest. Which mirror is used in solar cooker? Answer is option B, concave mirror.